Milk-Bone's soft and chewy dog treats.
Milk-Bone Soft and Chewy Dog Treats bundle includes two 25-ounce canisters, beef and filet mignon, and real bacon recipes. These treats are soft, chewy, and made with real meat, making them suitable for dogs of all sizes. They are fortified with vitamins and minerals for optimal health. Soft and chewy texture. The soft texture of these treats is ideal for dogs of all ages, especially older dogs or those with dental issues, making them easy to chew and enjoy. High nutritional value. These treats are rich in protein and fortified with 12 essential vitamins and minerals, contributing to your dog's overall health and well-being. Great for training. Their soft consistency makes them perfect for training purposes, as they can be quickly consumed as rewards during training sessions without interrupting the flow. Appealing flavor for dogs. Customers note the irresistible flavor of these treats, leading to high levels of excitement from their dogs, which enhances the bonding experience during treat time. Pricey compared to competitors. Some customers find the price point to be higher than similar products on the market, which may deter budget-conscious buyers. Potential for overfeeding. Due to their palatable nature, there's a risk of overfeeding if used frequently, especially for smaller dogs, leading to weight gain. Limited flavor variety. While flavors like beef and filet mignon and bacon are popular, some customers wish for a wider range of flavors to cater to picky eaters. Packaging concerns. A few users expressed concerns about the packaging, specifically that it may not be as resealable or durable as they would prefer, leading to potential freshness issues after opening. Milk-Bone soft and chewy dog treats are an excellent choice for pet owners seeking high-quality, nutritious snacks for their furry friends. The soft texture and appealing flavors make them particularly suitable for training and rewarding dogs. However, the price may be a consideration for some, and the risk of overfeeding should be managed carefully. Overall, these treats are a great option for those looking to pamper their pets with delicious and healthy snacks.
Are you excited to make a purchase? Or do you need a little more time to decide? No need to hurry. Check out the product link in the description below. Just click on it to explore the Amazon website, where you can dive into more details and read reviews that will help you make the best choice. Happy shopping!